I'll send you this as well. So I'm just going to do the get left and right because I've done it so there's like a sky and ground, so there's a sky and ground just to orientate it. So I've used black in the green so it gives it a bit of depth when we're doing the leaves. So this is centre,
yeah.
This is off centre.
Yeah.
So this is to create the stem.
Mm-hmm. You've lost
This,
yeah.
So we do the leaves.
Oh, that's
So now we have the leaves and the stem. Actually, I'll do two different ones. So it's just above where the stem joins the flower.
Yeah.
So to join them together, so that gives us something similar to a daisy. And you remember how I said finish off in the middle with the spot?
Yeah.
So once you've done that, then you can add your...
Tiny bit.
Yeah. So now it's more like a daisy.
Yeah.
And I'll show you how we do the Turkish tulips. So when we're doing the tulips in Turkey, we practice this a lot. So you see where the tip of the stem is, I'm actually going to touch it on. So now it's joining. And I'll put my next one slightly off centre so that it's slightly longer. Get rid of that dot. And then we can come in like we're creating a heart. So we come down halfway, draw up slowly so you get a nice sharp finish.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And we can push in from outside
Oh, I see.
to shape it up. So we've got something much more like... Have you ever seen Turkish tulips? Very bulbous and very long, thin, pointed parts. Unlike like the tulips that we think of, like a Dutch tulip that's very bulbous.
Yeah, bulbous and
Yeah.
small as well. Mm-hmm.